Hello my hair warriors, this is Aaron O'Brien here, and no, this is not my new hair system from Lordhair.com. This is my bedtime routine, and I'm going to take you on my journey and what I do at night and in the morning. Let's go to bed, everybody. So I'm sure you want to know all the best secrets when it comes to having the best maintained hair system every day. So let's get started on what I do at night. All you need is a detangling comb or brush. You can use one of these beautiful headbands. I like a little bit of oil. Any oil that you want to use is perfect. Argan oil, Moroccan oil is my favorite. And of course, a satin or silk bonnet. So you look your very best at night, you're gonna be so cute. Okay, so step one, what we do is we take a little bit of oil and we're gonna put 1 to 2 pumps onto your hand, and you're gonna spread it out nice and evenly before you put it onto your hair. So you run it through the ends of your system. I tend not to put this right to the root, just mainly on the end, just to add a little bit of softness. You're gonna take your detangling comb or brush and you're simply gonna wrap your hair slightly around in one direction and make sure you don't pull too hard, nice and gentle before you put your system on. Always make sure you comb through the back of your hair as well. This is pivotal before going to bed, because any loose hairs you can get out so you can prevent any matting, and that's going to save you a lot of trouble every morning and will make your hair system last longer so you can save some dollars. I take my headband and I place this just along the perimeter of where the base of my system hits my head, and just underneath the hair here as well. This helps absorb any oils that your forehead might produce, making the glue kind of melt, because we do get hotter at night with the temperature of the room, and we want to make sure that our systems last longer. So yes, people, this helps absorb the oil. We're going to take a sleeve cap, satin or silk, anything soft is fantastic. The oil is great underneath this as well because it's incubating and keeping everything nice and soft underneath. And then this moves around if you move your head, but the softness of the silk or satin stops your hair from matting as much and will stop your hair tangling and also pulling out of the base of the system. Oh my God, it's you again. All right, so I've had a great night's sleep. So we have our sleep cap, we take it off. If you don't want to shower that day and you're feeling particularly stinky, you can leave this on and just wash the face so you're avoiding getting any water into the hair system. If not, and you are getting into the shower, take off the band and then you're going to put on a shower cap. If you didn't look sexy at night, you're going to definitely look sexy in the morning before you shower. So place on your cap. Make sure that you wash and shower in lukewarm water. Don't have it too hot. You don't want to have too much steam, which will make the hair frizz and can also affect your styling. Detangle your hair with some of this amazing detangling spray. You can use whatever detangling spray you like. This is obviously my favorite because I did make it. Take your detangling brush or comb, and you're going to just comb through that hair before you blow dry, making sure you have a good heat protection there, being able to style it seamlessly. And yes, your system will last longer when you use detangling sprays. It's easier for the comb to get through and it'll look more beautiful. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click the link below, subscribe, and also thank to our sponsors at Lordhair.com with all the most fabulous systems in the world. If you like this content, don't forget to check out the rest of my videos. I'm sure you will be entertained. Until next time, chat to you soon.